Jai Gurudev. Myself Neeraj Agrari. Today we are going to discuss about the fundamental unit of life is cell of class 9th standard. So, structure of cell divided into three basic components. First, cell membrane and cell wall. Second, nucleus, and third, cytoplasm. Okay, I think you have well known about cell membrane. Cell membrane you have discussed previously the function of cell membrane and what is the meaning of cell membrane. It is living part of the cell and it is present in cell of plants, animals and microorganisms. Cell membrane allow material in and out of the cell. It basically made up of lipid and protein. And just I want to discuss about cell wall. Cell wall, it is freely permeable covering made up of cellulose. Cellulose it is outermost covering of the cell. Basically non-living, but we can say is living because it promotes osmosis and transports water and another substance. So it present both in eukaryotic cells and prokaryotic cell. Did you know about eukaryotes and prokaryotes? Eukaryotes, we all basically plants containing many cells. Okay, and prokaryotes depends or related to their parents similarly as same like microorganisms, basically viruses. Okay, and eukaryotes are fungi, plants, animals, etc. Okay, next we discuss about nucleus. Nucleus, it is a main part of the cell and it is also called brain of the cell. It controls all the metabolic activities of the cell. Okay, and it bounded by what? Cytoplasm and endoplasmic reticulum, EPR. Basically you can discuss about eukaryotic cell, smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, next you will learn cytoplasmic materials or cell organelles. Basically what is the cytoplasm? Cytoplasm, it is jelly-like colorless fluid substance. It contains a variety of cell organelles. Cell organelles means mitochondria, Golgi body, EPR, endoplasmic reticulum, smooth and rough. Okay, lysosomes, it is also called suicidal bag. Okay, and more, but you will notice difference between animal cell and plant cell. I think you have learned about animal cell and plant cell. So another part we will discuss of cytoplasmic organelles further, and another again we revised about nucleus. Nucleus called in Hindi Kendrak, and it contains many nucleus material or nucleoplasm, just like nucleoplasm, nucleolus, nuclear membrane, nuclear envelope, chromosomes, are called chromatin material and contains DNA called deoxyribonucleic acid. In R, it is made up of protein. And who synthesize protein? RNA, sorry, ribosomes. Ribosomes. It synthesize proteins. Are called protein factory of the cell. And it present outer covering, in the outer covering of the endoplasmic reticulum. Dot-like structure present in outer body of the EPR, endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, and we will discuss step by step of cytoplasmic organelles and separately nucleus. Nucleus not a part of cytoplasm, it is separate. Basically, we can suggest you it is part of the protoplasm. Protoplasm contains nucleus and cytoplasm. Nucleus contains nuclear membrane, nuclear envelope, chromatic material, etc. I have discussed you. And cytoplasm many cell organelles. It is jelly-like, colorless fluid. Okay, and cell wall, which is freely permeable membrane and allow water in and out by the process of osmosis. This is occurs a process of called plasmolysis. Plasmolysis, it means through the transpiration, water released and contraction and shrink and contract up to outer cell. Now we are going to discuss about nucleus. You do know about nucleus? Nucleus bounded by endoplasmic reticulum, which contains nuclear membrane, nuclear pore, nuclear envelope, nucleolus, nucleoplasm and chromatic material. What is the nucleus? Nucleus, it is double layer membrane that contains the genetic material. It controls all the metabolic activities of the cell and it is surrounded by nuclear envelope. Nuclear envelope. It is bounded by endoplasmic reticulum. This is EPR. You can say endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum cover and protect the whole part of the nucleus, and nucleus contains chromatic material, nucleoplasm. Nucleoplasm is fluid-like substance and provide silvery process of the chromatic material. And nuclear envelope. Nuclear envelope, it is surrounded by nuclear envelope. This membrane separates the content of the nucleus from the cytoplasm. It has chromosomes with DNA that provide genes. DNA. Deoxyribonucleic acid. Deoxyribonucleic acid made up of protein, which is made up of protein and contains genetic characteristics or inherited characteristics which obtained or comes from the parents through the cellular process or cellular functions. So it controls all the metabolic activities of the cell. It is double membrane that contains the genetic materials. It is surrounded by nuclear envelope, and this membrane separates the content of the nucleus from the cytoplasm. Nucleolus. This is nucleolus, and nucleolus is a solid spherical shaped structure. Nucleolus play important role in protein gave by Wagner, a scientist who gave nucleolus and synthesized protein by producing of ribosome, and ribosome made up of RNA and protein. Okay, it is also called nucleolus, also called protein factory, because producing ribosome and ribosome synthesize protein. Okay, and nuclear pore From the nuclear pore, the foreign material outside of the nucleus present, which entered with the help of nuclear pore. Nuclear membrane, it is bounded and protect to nucleoplasm. Chromatin material, it is also called chromosomes, and contains DNA, which is stored genetic information or genetic characteristics. And nucleolus is rod shaped solid structure and provide ribosomes, and ribosomes contains RNA and protein, also called protein synthesizer. Okay, and it is also bounded endoplasmic reticulum. So I think you have well known about nucleus, and further information you can discuss to me after whole discussion. It would be continued after whole discussion. So it's sufficient for general information.